In this video, we will study invitation and replies under writing skills, and it carries 4 marks. We will study template or format of invitation and replies and also see their example for better understanding. Formal invitation, letter format, template, sender's address, second date, next receiver's address, then subject, then sir, madam, name of host, has the pleasure of inviting, name of guest, in the, name of event, as a chief guest, judge, resource person, speaker on, date, at, time, at, venue. A word of confirmation will be appreciated. Regards, name. So friends, this is a letter format in formal invitation. Next, formal invitation card format for family functions template. Mrs. and Mr. Dash cordially invite you on the occasion of marriage or birthday or housewarming party or any other occasion of name as per details given below, date, time, venue, RSVP, address and phone number, note, program overleaf, entry from gate number 2 with best compliments from family and friends. So this is the second format for formal invitation and it is card format for family functions. Next, formal invitation card format school function template. The principal, staff and students of name of school cordially invite you on the occasion of name of event as per details given below. Date, time, venue, chief guest. RSVP, vice principal, phone number, note, entry from gate number 2, program over leave. So friends, this is formal invitation card format for school function. Now let's see an example invitation formal card type. You are secretary of the Old Students Association, VKM Senior Secondary School, Hyderabad. The 20th alumni meet will be held on the 20th September 2025 at 8 pm at Palace Hotel. Write the invitation giving all necessary details. So friends, answer is the Alumni Association of VKM Senior Secondary School, Hyderabad cordially invite you for the 20th alumni meet on 20th September 2025 at 8 pm at Palace Hotel, Sri S.M. Patel. Former principal BKM Senior Secondary School will preside over the function. So friends, this is an example of formal invitation card type. Next, informal invitation template, sender's address, date, dear, name of the receiver. It gives me great pleasure to inform you that I have arranged a small party on the occasion of dash on date, at time, at venue. Please do come to join the function and make it a memorable event for us. Yours sincerely, name of the sender. So friends, this is an informal invitation template or format. Example, informal invitation. You are Kamlesh. Your friend from Malaysia is staying in the hostel. Invite him to join Diwali celebrations with you at your residence. Answer 315/2 Raja Gardens, New Delhi, 25th July 2025. Dear Surey, you know that Diwali, the festival of lights, is approaching. It gives me great pleasure to invite you to Diwali celebrations at my residence. We shall have great fun. Do join us for the puja and Diwali celebrations. Your lovingly, Kamlesh. So friends, this is an example of informal invitation. So friends, let's recall what we have learned under formal invitation. First, there is letter format template. Then second, card format template for family functions. And third, card format template for school function. And second is informal invitation, and we have studied the template and example. Now let's move on to the replies. Replies to invitation is of two types, A. Formal replies and B. Informal replies. Under formal replies or informal replies, there are two types, acceptance and refusal. Let's see the template of formal reply acceptance. On the left hand side comes date, Mrs., Miss, Mr., name, names of the sender of the reply, thanks, thank, Mr. Mrs. name, names of the receiver of the reply for the kind invitation for dash, name of the function dash to be held on dash date dash at dash time dash at dash venue. She, he, they is are happy to accept the invitation and will attend the function. So friends, this is the template of acceptance. Now let's see an example of the same formal reply acceptance. Example, Miss Jyotika Rani had received an invitation from Mr. Jaydev Babu for his housewarming party. Write a formal reply on her behalf accepting the invitation. 16th February 2022. So here comes the date. Miss Jyotika Rani thanks Mr. Babu for the kind invitation for the housewarming party of his new house on Monday 21st February 2022 at 7 p.m. at Bharat Community Center Apartments ground. She is very delighted to accept the invitation and confirms her presence in the function. So friends, this is an example of formal reply acceptance. Next, template for refusal, date, dash Mrs., Miss, Mr. dash name, names of the sender of the reply, thanks, thank, dash Mrs., Miss, Mr. name, names of the receiver of the reply, dash for kind invitation for dash name of the function dash to be held on date, at time, at venue. She, he, they, is, are, regret, her, his, their inability to attend the function due to prior engagement. Let's see the example of this for better understanding. Formal reply refusal example. On behalf of Mrs. and Mr. P. R. Dev, draft a reply declining the invitation to the wedding party of Mrs. and Mr. M. N. Raja. Answer, 16 February 2022. Mrs. and Mr. P. R. Dev thank Mrs. and Mr. M. N. Raja for the kind invitation to their wedding party to be held on Monday 21st February 2022 at 7 p.m. at Rose Banquet Hall, East Delhi. They regret their inability to attend the party due to a prior engagement. They extend their best wishes. So friends, the points to remember are: first, written in third person; second, only date is mentioned; third, no salutation, subject, signature, as you can see in the example. So friends, here we have completed the formal replies. Now let's see the informal replies template and their example. Informal replies acceptance template. Address of the sender of the reply, date, dear name, sir, madam, I am happy to receive your invitation for your party function to be held on date, at time, at venue. I would be happy to join the party on time. Looking forward to have a great time with you. Yours truly, name. Now let's see the example of the same informal reply acceptance. Informal replies acceptance example. Sociology Club of Sarvodaya School, Vinod Nagar, is organizing a Grandparents' Day in which you are being invited as a chief guest. Draft a reply to the invitation accepting it. Answer, Examination Hall, Delhi, 16 February 2022. Dear Madam, thanks a lot for inviting me as a chief guest for Grandparents' Day function to be held on 28 February 2022 at 10 am in the school hall. I shall attend the function. I express my best wishes for its success. Yours sincerely, ABC. Now let's see the template of informal reply refusal. Address of the sender of the reply, date, dear name, sir, madam, I am happy to receive invitation for your party function to be held on date, at time, at venue. I regret to inform you that I would not be able to join the function due to an urgent work. I wish you a great time. Yours truly, name. Now let's see the example of this. Informal replies refusal. Your friend Jaydev invited you to attend the function organized by him to celebrate his selection in IIM Ahmedabad. Draft a reply expressing your inability to attend the function. You are Rudransh from C5 Lakshmi Nagar. Answer, C5 Lakshmi Nagar. Delhi, 15 February 2022. Dear Jaidev, thanks a lot for inviting me to the function to celebrate your selection in IIM Ahmedabad to be held on 28 February 2022 at 8 pm at DDA Park, Lakshmi Nagar. I am sorry to inform you that I shall not be able to join you due to prior engagement in another city. Yours truly, Rudransh. Points to remember while writing informal replies. To be written, sender's address, date. Dear respected sir, madam, name first person, second person is used. So friends, in this video we have learned replies to invitation, in which there are two categories, A formal replies and B informal replies, and in these two there are two categories, first acceptance and second refusal. We have seen the template and example of each case. I hope this video helps you in your board exams. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.